Welcome back to the Grand Motor Homes. Today, we're stepping inside something truly extraordinary. Welcome to Inside the Future Luxury, the $1,500,000 SUVW-XT7 2026 luxury motorhome, a rolling ultra-mansion designed for those who refuse to compromise on comfort, power, or prestige. This isn't just a motorhome. This is a statement. From the very first glance, the 2026 SUVW-XT7 luxury motorhome commands attention. Its exterior design is bold, futuristic, and unapologetically premium. The massive sculpted front fascia features razor-sharp LED matrix headlights, a fully illuminated grille signature, and an aerodynamic body crafted from lightweight composite materials. The multi-axle stance enhances stability while giving it a powerful road presence. Chrome accents, gloss black trim elements, and dynamic LED underglow lighting create a vehicle that looks more like a concept from 2035 than a 2026 production model. The side profile reveals flush panoramic windows stretching across the upper deck, while hidden storage compartments and powered awnings are seamlessly integrated into the design. On the roof, you'll find solar energy panels combined with a retractable sky lounge deck, offering breathtaking panoramic views wherever you park. Now step inside, and everything changes. The entry door opens automatically with biometric recognition, welcoming you into a space that feels like a luxury penthouse suite. The main lounge area is wrapped in ultra-premium Italian leather seating, carbon fiber accents, and handcrafted wood paneling. Ambient lighting runs throughout the cabin, adjustable to millions of colors depending on your mood. The floor is finished in heated marble-style composite, delivering both elegance and comfort. A massive 8K retractable smart display rises from the wall, paired with a 360-degree immersive surround sound system. The seating configuration is fully modular, allowing the lounge to transform into a cinema room, executive meeting space, or fine dining area within seconds. Smart glass windows automatically tint based on sunlight exposure, offering privacy and temperature control without curtains or blinds. The kitchen area, pure modern sophistication. You get a built-in induction cooking system, steam oven, full-size smart refrigerator, climate-controlled wine storage, hidden espresso bar, and touch-controlled cabinetry. Every surface is crafted from scratch-resistant stone composites designed for durability without sacrificing aesthetics. Soft-close storage compartments are integrated into every available space, maximizing functionality while keeping the design clean and minimal. Moving toward the private quarters, the master suite is where the SUVW-XT7 truly justifies its $1.5 million price tag. The king-size smart bed features climate regulation, adjustable firmness, and biometric sleep monitoring. A panoramic skylight sits above, giving you a clear view of the night sky. Surrounding the suite are walk-in wardrobe sections, a built-in vanity station, and a retractable 4K entertainment display. The en-suite bathroom feels like a five-star spa. Heated floors, stone-textured walls, a digital rainfall shower system, smart mirrors with health monitoring integration, and premium designer fixtures create a luxury retreat unlike anything seen in traditional RVs. Technology is at the heart of the SUVW-XT7. The entire motorhome operates on an advanced AI-driven smart living ecosystem. Voice commands control lighting, temperature, security, entertainment, and even water usage optimization. The cockpit features a fully digital panoramic display stretching across the dashboard. Advanced semi-autonomous driving capabilities allow hands-free highway cruising, adaptive lane centering, intelligent obstacle detection, and automated parking assistance. A high-capacity hybrid electric or fully electric powertrain is expected to power the XT7, delivering massive torque while maintaining smooth, silent performance. Adaptive air suspension ensures a cloud-like ride, automatically adjusting to terrain and load distribution. Off-grid capability is equally impressive. A high-density battery storage system, rooftop solar array, and integrated energy management software allow extended independent travel without sacrificing luxury features. Whether you're parked by the ocean, in the mountains, or at a private event, the SUVW-XT7 delivers uninterrupted comfort. At a starting price of $1,500,000, the 2026 SUVW-XT7 isn't designed for everyone. It's built for elite travelers, executives, celebrities, and those who demand a moving luxury estate rather than a simple motorhome. It represents the absolute peak of futuristic RV engineering, combining performance, sustainability, technology, and ultra-luxury living into one seamless masterpiece. This isn't just a vehicle. It's the future of luxury mobility. Thanks for being part of the Grand Motorhomes family. If you enjoyed this exclusive tour of the $1.5 million SUVW-XT7 2026 luxury motorhome, hit like, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more next-level luxury motorhome reviews. See you in the next video.